So by now, you've learned that there is not much to core Hadoop. Not that it's simple or easy, but there are only really a couple of core components, the HDFS and MapReduce. What makes Hadoop so irresistible is its ability to be at the center of third-party big data offerings. Over the past years, vendors have scrambled into the big data bandwagon with a dizzying number of full-feature solutions, with Hadoop being at the engine at its center. These are called Hadoop distributions. Distributions come in all sizes and price ranges. Most organizations run distributions rather than core Hadoop. Cloudera calls itself the commercial Hadoop company and has quickly become a major player with assorted Hadoop distributions. Founded by industry innovators from Yahoo, Google, Oracle, and Facebook, Cloudera commits itself to the Hadoop ecosystem as well as developing its own distribution and tools. Cloudera offers Apache Hadoop distribution that add a more encapsulated approach to data processing, analytics, data integration, cluster monitoring, and workflow scheduling. Cloudera distributions are noted for their easy-to-use GUI tools. Like most distributions, the core is Apache Hadoop. Cloudera also provides proprietary management suite software. This management suite has the tools that automate the installation process and helps take the guesswork out of deployment, as well as useful reporting tools. MapR has an Apache Hadoop distribution that goes a bit further. MapR completely replaces the HDFS and uses its own file system called MapRFS. MapRFS integrates professional-grade features into Apache Hadoop. MapR claims that its file system is easier to use and better manages data, thus it's better than its major competitors. Up to the M3 version, MapR is free. The free version does lack some of the MapR bells and whistles, such as mirroring and job tracking. Hortonworks has also become an industry-leading vendor of Hadoop products and distributions. The Hortonworks open-source distribution platform has Apache Hadoop at its center and provides additional tools for storing, managing, and processing big data. Hortonworks claims to be the only commercial vendor to offer a complete open-source Apache Hadoop distribution. Hortonworks Apache distribution can be downloaded for free and is straightforward and easy to install. Hortonworks is behind many of the current Hadoop innovations, including Yarn, which is a better way to include MapReduce in more frameworks. After the big three, there are literally dozens of distributions. Most of the minor distributions address niche needs in academia or pure research. Most of these distributions exist for the purpose of gathering cluster metadata, measuring data latency, or finding faster ways to store data. Many of the minor distributions wind up as tools and other development architectural aids. And who knows, Hadoop was once small, and look how that took off.